shapes, come along. Clap your hands, sing this song. Circle is round, like the moon or a merry-go-round. Square has 4 equal sides, like a chessboard or picture frame. Triangle has 3 straight sides, like a sandwich or mountain peak. Rectangle is one with 4 sides, like a book or a door. Oval like an egg, like a mirror or rugby ball. Star has shiny points, like the ones in the night sky. Heart means love, like a valentine just for you. Diamond shaped like a kite, flying high in the sky. Pentagon has 5 sides, like the roof of a little house. Hexagon has 6 sides, like a honeycomb full of bees. Heptagon has 7 sides, like some stars we can see. Octagon has 8 sides, like the stop sign on the road. Crescent, curved like the moon, like a smile. Arrow points the way, like a sign showing where to go. Trapezium, trapezoid, trapezium, sides not the same, like a slide in the playground. Shapes are fun, shapes are bright, look around day and night. Shapes are fun, shapes are bright, look around day and night. Shapes are fun.